How's it going? I'm Josh at DC. Today we're back at our Cornelius, Oregon project, and I want to talk to you a little bit about this zip sheathing that we use on some of our custom projects. So the zip system is a structural sheathing that has a pre-applied WRB weather-resistant barrier. I like to use it on some of our custom projects because it creates a nice air seal on the inside. All the seams get taped. Behind us, we're doing a little bit of a hybrid 2.0, and we're spot caulking all the field nails, and then we're also sealing the bottom of the sheathing to the foundation. So integrating the zip system into our custom projects has allowed us to air seal our buildings a lot better. We're real concerned with all the codes going more towards a high performance building. By implementing some of these technologies, we feel like we're kind of pushing the needle, making our buildings tighter, better, and moving towards that future code update. We've used other products for WRBs, and we really feel like this is a good system. We like the longevity, really like the speed of the install, and that Huber panel is just a really good structural panel. It doesn't move, it doesn't deflect on us, and that's why we use it on a lot of our custom jobs. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn more about our best practices or our heavy timber structures, give us a call or visit our website.